Friends, meet him. Watch this. Just look at his actions. This is a white ringneck parrot. And Mel was sitting in a lot of fun, so I thought I would make a video of him, and he was having a lot of fun. But he is silent while making the video. But he is very naughty, and very soon their eggs are going to be laid. And babies are going to be born, so I will definitely show them to you. Follow the channel to see the babies and eggs. Thank you.